my classmates, co-students, respectful teachers, Ma'am Peroque and Ma'am Emma Balasa, parents, grandparents, family, friends, to our guests, to all, a pleasant afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank God for this wonderful event, our graduation day. Secondly, to our parents who gives their love and support as we step to the door of education. Thirdly, to our teachers, Ma'am Peroque and Ma'am Emma Balasa, in their dedication and hard work to teach us. Lastly, to our guests, finds time to witness Holy Spirit Study Center School Year 2011-2012 Graduation Day. Once again, on behalf of all the graduates, especially with awards and honors, congratulations. Have a nice day. Mabuhay!
Thank you, Eunice. Now, ladies and gentlemen, get ready for a special number from selected nursery students.
Video ko lang. Kaya na lang guys.
Mamaya na nilagay.
Maya pa yata. Hintayin natin si Ate Marie. Hindi niya na tinuruan eh. Oo. Naka-record na to. Buong ano. Picture-picture.
Hindi ako na-picture. Si ano naman eh. Hindi na ako naka-ano eh.
Sinabi ko yun. Kaya. English eh. Nasaan ba yun?
Ayun. Ayun. Asan na ba yun? Ay, asan na yun? Butter. Ay, kanino yan? Napulot mo ba? Kanino to?
Jerry ka na, bis ka na nga daw. Mag-plastic ba yung dalawa ni Paul? Hindi ano?
Hindi. Kanino to?
Hindi po panghapon.
Wala siya panghapon.
Ayan na po. Magtutula po.
Tutula sila.
Kanino to? Yang, sige mo ito kasi lang.
Sige, ibisan ko na.
Bilis pa ba yan? Ayan, nandun ka.
Benedict!
Sino ba ito?
Hindi, okay. Hindi ate may pinisipiwan.
O sa anak mo, nahulog.
Ay, salamat. Benedict!
Benedict.